Hello and welcome back to Chris the Butcher and friends. Right, bit of a different video today. Listen, I got a parcel sent. It must have been a couple of months ago, right? It come with a note, and it says, "Hi Chris, please find enclosed a packet of cheeky little peanuts. Thought maybe you could do a straightforward taste test, a challenge, or maybe blitz them up and use them as coating for some deep fried chicken thighs. All the best, mate. Keep up the good work. Greg H." Right, this is what he sent me. Carolina Reaper peanuts. Now, I was going to do a taste test or a challenge, and I did think about using them for some chicken. But you know what I'm going to do instead? I'm going to crush them down and put them in a fucking burger. Before we crack on, now, we've established, right, the Carolina Reaper peanuts, right, haven't we, yeah? I can't believe what I've just read on the back here. It says, allergy advice, contains fucking peanuts. No shit, Sherlock. Right, I'm only doing one burger because it'll only be me that eats this. So I've not used them all. I've just got a few there on a plate, and I want them chunky. I want a bit of a bite in it so I can taste it in the burger. So I've got it on a plate. I've got another plate like it, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to lean on that. In fact, I'm not. I'm going to hit it with my hand, and hopefully I'll get them through the plate onto this one. Let's try it, shall we? Oh, fucking magic. There's actually no best way of doing this, I don't think. But listen, I've got my mince here. It's about, I'd say it's about half a pound in weight, right? In fact, a bit more. Let's take some off. Now, it's about half a pound in weight. All I'm going to do is crush it into there. Get the remaining bits there. I'm just going to fold it. Just keep folding it in because I want it to go right through the burger. I'll be quite honest. So while I fuck about with this, you lot get a cup of tea. Get yourself settled down. No, fuck it. I'll tell you what. By the power of editing, this burger will be absolutely fucking done. Look at that. Right. Let's get this more frying pan. It's time to get this Carolina Reaper peanut burger sizzling like fuck in this red oil. Now I've got more oil than usual because it's quite thick. So I'm kind of half deep frying it, I suppose, but anyway. I'm going to probably cook this now for about 3 to 4 minutes each side because I don't like my burger bloody in the middle. Also, there's peanuts in there. And I don't want to be on camera when one of them explodes and smashes me in the eye. Well, that's been 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to turn it. Oh, look at them peanuts absolutely crisping up. This is going to kill me. I know it is. Right, I'm going to cook it this side. When that's nearly done, I've got some Gouda cheese. I'm going to put a slice of Gouda cheese on there, so it melts a bit, and then we're going to build this bastard. Right, that's virtually done. I've got my Gouda cheese. Now, it was longer than that. I folded it in half. We'll place that on top. I'm going to let that cook in there now for about another minute. And then next time you see this, it's going on a fucking bun. So, it's a simple one tonight, really, isn't it? I've got the bottom of my muffin there. I've got a bit of iceberg lettuce. And now I've got my burger with the cheese on it. Now, I didn't want to put too much with it because I didn't want to overpower it because I want to taste the... Well, basically, whatever I do with it, I think them fucking peanuts are going to come flying through, aren't they? And then we've got my cheese top muffin. Right, I'm going to take my thumbnail and then we're going to delve in for the taste test. Boys and girls, brothers and sisters. Now, I don't know if that's focusing or not, but there it is. I've got my cheese top muffin, iceberg lettuce for the vegans. My beef burger that's infused with Carolina Reaper coated peanuts, courtesy of our brother Greg H. Love you, brother. I just think he wants to see me in pain again, doesn't he? I haven't done anything really spicy for a long time because, you know what I mean? I did that Frank sauce challenge. Then I did the ALS challenge. Then I did something else. I did chili wings. And I'll be honest with you, my tongue was sore for about 3 fucking weeks. So anyway, let's not stall. Let's see if I can wrap my chops around this and slide it down me fucking gizzard. Right, here we go. If I can keep it on the fucking muffin. Tell you what, that gouda cheese is nice. I believe you're supposed to put that on a croque monsieur. Anyway. Right, delve into it now. The crunchy, the peanuts are crunchy. That hit me yet. Oh yeah. Oh, hang on. Oh shit. Bit of cheese. Right, my gob's on fire. Bit of peanut. I'll tell you what, this is fantastic. The taste is fantastic. The taste of the peanut with a burger. Incidentally, I didn't put nothing, right, with this burger. Didn't put no salt, didn't put pepper. I didn't even use garlic. Only them peanuts. Because I thought, you know what I mean, the flavour of the peanut, there'll be salt on the peanut, the spice, that's all you need. And it is all you need. And the back of my throat is on fucking fire. I'm putting that down. The reason being, it's not good out, but it tastes good. Right. Oh, hiccups. Hiccups are coming. Right. I'm gonna go because I'm gonna give my fucking fridge freezer a fucking blowjob. Right. I want everyone to get in the comments and thank Greg H, our brother, for sending me them. I tell you what, they are tasty as fuck. Just hot as fuck. My last segment was about 25 minutes ago. And my face is still on fire. Obviously, they're not as hot as a proper Carolina Reaper, but that is fucking hot. I'm telling you now. So, yeah. Come on, Greg. Comment, mate. I'll pin it so everyone can give you their love. But we're going to finish it here now. Because I really, really need to finish it here because I'm still in agony. If you like it, press like, comment, tell me what a prick I am. I say this every time. What else? Oh, yeah, share on all your social media. Facebook, Twitter. Add me on Snapchat. Just search for Chris the Butcher. I am there, right? Also, I'll put a link to Facebook and Snapchat in the description. And also, I'm on Instagram, same again, Chris the Butcher. But I don't really, I'm on it, I'll look at it, I'll browse at it. Yeah. Basically, Instagram's just a fucking platform for perverts, isn't it? Look at fucking half-naked women and no one knows, isn't it? Like, oh, fucking hell. That's in my bank for later. Right, yeah, and subscribe. And become a member of #TeamCtb with me, Greg H. All you beautiful brothers and sisters, join us. Tell your friends, tell your family, get everyone, join us, because I fucking love you.